We're going to dive into one of the most profitable and fastest growing niches on YouTube right now, the luxury lifestyle niche. Now you've probably seen massive channels like All About absolutely blowing up with videos comparing celebrity cars, million-dollar mansions, exotic yachts, and even private jets. And if you've noticed, those videos rack up millions of views in most of their videos. And that's no accident. People are naturally drawn to anything that screams wealth, success, and high-class living. But here's where it gets exciting. The luxury niche doesn't just get views, it pays big. With an RPM ranging from $5 to $15 per thousand views, this niche is easily one of the highest paying categories on YouTube. That means a single viral video could earn you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in ad revenue alone. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment or massive budgets to start, thanks to free AI tools. In this video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step process to create your own luxury viral video using AI. So watch this video until the end so you don't miss any step. Now let's get started. The very first step is finding the right topics. You want to stick to the same proven format that channels like All About are using. These are the exact types of videos that consistently go viral. Now, if you already have a few ideas in mind, that's great. You can start with those. But if you'd rather let AI do the heavy lifting, I've made it super easy for you. I've put together a Google Doc with prompts you can use with ChatGPT to generate your own unique video topics and full engaging scripts. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this tutorial out to more creators like you who want to grow faster on YouTube. All right, let's get straight back into the process. Open the Google Doc, then simply copy the topic prompt I've provided. After that, head over to your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then make one quick adjustment. Decide how many video titles you want it to generate for you. For example, you can ask for 10, 20, or even 50 different ideas at once. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full list of engaging video titles designed specifically for the luxury niche. The best part? If you're not happy with the first batch of results, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate more until you find the perfect match. From there, scroll through the list and pick the topic that immediately grabs your attention. Because if it excites you, chances are it'll excite your audience too. Now that we have our topic, the next step is to generate a full video script. First, head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt. Then open up ChatGPT and paste it right in. Before hitting enter, you'll want to make a couple of important changes. First, decide the length of your video. Just type in how many minutes you want your script to run, whether that's 5, 8, or even 10 minutes. Next, add the topic number you selected earlier so ChatGPT knows exactly which idea to expand on. Once you do that, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete engaging script tailored to the luxury niche format we're modeling. This means it'll already have the right style, celebrity comparisons, dramatic hooks, and a structure that keeps viewers watching until the end. These scripts are designed to grab attention, hold retention, and give your video the potential to go viral, just like the top luxury channels you've already seen blowing up. The next step is generating our voiceover, and for this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Head over to ElevenLabs, click on Sign Up, and quickly create an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech, and you'll be presented with the voice creation interface. Now open up ChatGPT, copy the script we just generated, and paste it right into ElevenLabs. Next, click on the Voices tab, and you'll be presented with a wide variety of realistic AI voices. Take a few minutes to preview them, and then select the one that best fits your video style. Once you've chosen your voice, hit Generate, and in just seconds, ElevenLabs will produce a natural, studio-quality voiceover for your script. From there, simply download the audio file to your device. The next step is getting visuals for our video, and there are several ways to do this. The first method is using AI-generated images with ChatGPT. Since our niche focuses on celebrity comparisons, we need an image of the celebrities in our script, which are Tom Holland and Timothée Chalamet, facing each other in a confrontational stance. So we can input a prompt like, create an image of Tom Holland and Timothée Chalamet on a green screen background, facing off in a confrontational stance as if they're about to challenge each other. Then once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate the image instantly. The green screen background is especially useful because you can easily remove or replace it later during editing to create that cinematic face-off effect. The second method is sourcing images from Google. Read through your script carefully, search for high-quality images of the celebrities you're featuring, and download multiple options for variety. You'll also want to add cinematic visuals of luxury assets, like cars, mansions, yachts, and private jets. A great resource is Pexels, where you can download free stock videos to give your project a professional touch. And lastly, you can grab short clips from here. Just make sure the footage is under 6 seconds to avoid copyright strikes. With this combination of AI-generated images, celebrity photos, luxury stock clips, and short video clips, you'll have everything you need to build a visually stunning, viral-ready luxury video. The next step is getting background music for our video, and for this, we'll be using Suno. First, head over to Suno and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon, and you'll be taken to the creation interface. Since we don't need lyrics for this kind of content, make sure you select instrumental only, because what we really need is cinematic tunes that will carry the energy of the video. Now to get the perfect style of music for your script, go back into ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music perfect for this script. Then click enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will suggest a fitting style of music for your video. Copy that style, return to Suno and paste it into the music style box, give your track a title, and hit create. Suno will instantly produce 2 instrumental tracks based on your request. Take a moment to listen to both versions. Pick the one that matches the vibe of your video best and simply download the track straight to your device. The final step is bringing everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut. Click on New Project and import all the images and video clips we collected earlier. Next, go to Aspect Ratio and set it to 16:9 for YouTube. Make sure to stretch your clips to fill the frame so you don't have those black bars on the sides. Now import the voiceover we generated with ElevenLabs into your timeline. Play it through carefully and cut out any empty spaces or pauses. After that, then begin arranging your clips so they sync perfectly with the narration. For the comparison section, overlay the image of the 2 celebrities facing off. Select the image, scroll the options below, and click on Remove Background, then select Chroma Key. Now move the pointer to the background to clean out the green screen automatically. Next, let's number the rounds of comparison. Click on Text. Type something like Round 1, Cars, then apply a bold template to give it that dramatic battle effect. Repeat this for each round in your script. To make your video more engaging, add a zoom in effect. Click on an image, set a keyframe at the start, then stretch it slightly at the end to add another keyframe for a smooth zoom. Repeat this step for all your images. Also, don't forget to add transitions. Go to Transition Overlay, pick a style you like, and hit Apply to All for a clean, professional flow. After that, let's add captions to our video. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions, and you will be presented with a lot of captions templates. Choose a template and click Generate, then let CapCut generate subtitles automatically. Adjust the size and position so they're easy to read. Finally, import the background music we created in Suno. Drag it onto your timeline and lower the volume so it supports but doesn't overpower your voiceover. When everything looks good, preview your entire video from start to finish. If you're satisfied, click Export, increase the resolution up to 4K, and download it to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
It's the ultimate young Hollywood showdown. In one corner, Spider-Man himself, Tom Holland, the action-packed British superstar. In the other, the stylish heartthrob of a generation, Timothée Chalamet. Who takes the crown in this epic lifestyle battle? Let's go. Round 1, Cars. Tom rolls in a sleek Audi RS7 worth $120,000. Timothée, he keeps it low-key with a BMW i8 valued at $150,000. Point for Chalamet.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comment section.